Our top 5 Best PCIe Wi-Fi Card. One number product. TP-Link Wi-Fi 6X 3000 PCIe Wi-Fi Card. Minimize lag for your PC. Revolutionary OFTMA and MIMO technology reduces lag so you can enjoy ultra-responsive real-time gaming, or an immersive VR experience on even the busiest of networks. Broader range, 2 powerful signal boost, high-gain antennas greatly increase range for a smoother online experience further away. 2 number product. ASUS PCIe dual-band AC 3100 Wi-Fi PCIe adapter. Dual-band 4x4 AC 3100 Wi-Fi with speeds up to 2100 Mbps, 5 GHz band, and 1000 Mbps 4 GHz band. External magnetic antenna base allows flexible antenna placement to maximize coverage. Note: support MIMO technology. Individual antennas can also attach directly to PCIe card for compact installation. Modulation 1024 cam. 3 number product. Fenvi Wi-Fi 6X 200 NGW PCIe Wi-Fi adapter card. New gaming high-speed wireless adapter. Bluetooth 5.1 function equipped with BT 5.1 technology. Support connecting with Bluetooth headset, Bluetooth stereo, Bluetooth keyboard, Bluetooth mouse and others for more conveniences and demands. Efficient Wi-Fi emission inserted in a desktop computer to build wireless Wi-Fi signals. Mobile phones, laptops, tablet, PCs are able to connect Fenvi Wi-Fi 6AX 200 NGW PCIe Wi-Fi adapter card. 4 number product. ASUS PCIe dual-band 2x2 AC Wi-Fi PCIe adapter. Provides an extensible design that enables service prioritization for data. Network standard. Design that delivers high availability, scalability, and for maximum flexibility and price. Performance instant 802.11 acres Wi-Fi upgrade for your desktop PC. No more messy Ethernet cables needed. 5 number product. TP-Link AC 1200 PCIe Wi-Fi card for PC. Super fast speed. Make full use of your network with AC 1200 Wi-Fi speeds, 867 Mbps on the 5 GHz band and 300 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band. Bluetooth 4.2. Achieve 2.5 times faster speed and 10 times more packet capacity than Bluetooth 4.0. Broad wireless range. Connect to your Wi-Fi from further away with 2 external high-gain antennas, ensuring greater range and enhanced stability. Thanks for watching this video.